This particular video is about getting rid of pop-ups related to the website Arcearrsin.online. The pop-up may attack Google Chrome, Firefox and other popular browsers, and it says that you need to tap the Allow button to continue. The reality is that clicking on the Allow button would lead to a lot of problems. In fact, your browser will be hijacked and contaminated with the feature of permanent push notifications that will be extremely annoying. I have to say that the feature of push notifications is decent in many cases. It's the part of some genuine websites, commercial sites or news websites. However, when we are talking about this Arcearrsin.online, it's a malicious resource that you should not allow to show its notifications. If you click on Allow, that's a mistake, your browser will be infected, as I said. However, this problem can be easily fixed manually. You need to go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, scroll down to Site Settings, then select Notifications. Now research the Allow area carefully. You will find this Arcearrsin.online. Remove it from this list. If you see other suspicious sites in this list, remove them completely too. I also suggest that you perform additional research of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So after the program is successfully downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database. Then click on Start Combo Scan, which will begin the detailed research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As I said, the program initially is in the trial mode. However, the antivirus feature will give you the detailed and full report about the threats on your Mac. You may click on Review Results and you will see the exact number of threats, and not only the list of threats, but their location too. For instance, we have this particular threat, this very first one. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats, so this will help you to remove them manually, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.